Week 1, day 4. It's right where we left off from day 3. Nobody came overnight, did any work for me. Should be nice though. Although that'd be a little weird, wouldn't it? We gotta build a header, put the cripples in, and put the cripples in up there, and then we can go up top. We're debating on whether do we do a ridge board or not a ridge board. We'll see what we come up with. Ridge board, no ridge board. Scarf joint, butt joint, because that's 22 feet. I don't have anything 22 feet long. Something's gonna happen today. All right, so I need 3 6-inchers and 1 5 7/8. New pencil. $101 and 7/8.
I'll let you go first.
Alright, I'm up.
I'm too long.
Here, do we need to back it off a little?
Oh, that's good. Okay.
You make it?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
I need to tap it in.
Yeah.
Tap, tap, tap. We're old, but we're not that old. Right?
I don't know if you caught that, but Shelly said we're old, but not that old. At 5 o'clock tonight, let's ask her that same question.
That's because, yeah, we're old.
And then she'll be like, we're old.
We're not that old. We're still getting it done.
To put them on 16-inch centers or not? Because you know if you're going to cover this up with zip board, it's going to be fine up in the top plate and this header. Do you really need it other than for support? I'm going to know at the end of the day if I don't put them in, that looks weird. And it should have cripples in there. I can't not do it. Lower framing is complete. Top plates. Okay, top plates are done. There they all are. This seam right here, though, with this stud, it was so far out of level. I don't know if you saw it, but we had to get old Massey over there. Old Massey over there came to the rescue. But look, she back in level. I don't even know if you could see it. It's a good thing though. All right. That's it. We get to go up. We got rafters, ceiling joists. How exciting. It is so hot and sweaty. Check Tucker out. Tucker. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. He's just trying to get some shade, man. Cloud cover has come in. They actually say it might sprinkle rain. I don't know what they know, but I mean, I'll welcome a brief shower. But I am going to lay out rafters on the top plate. Something you may or may not know, but decades ago when we were young and we did this and Shelly's dad was building our house for us, his wife actually made him a shirt that said, "Don't talk to me, I'm in my roofing phase." He was mad and angry and cranky all the time because he was figuring out angles, which in our house, we had no hips or valleys. So that was easy. But
This has no hips and valleys.
I
I'm
know.
still eating my lunch.
Oh. Anyway, Shelly needs a shirt because she takes after her dad right now. Do you need me to hold something there?
Yeah, can you hold that?
Yeah, I can hold it.
Thank you.
I'm going to hold it right here.
Hold on.
She's a little cranky. See, told you.
Yes, that was correct. 91.15.
Oh, now she's all sweet.
I'm trying to not be a jerk. Is that right? 5.5. That's where you go 90. That doesn't look right. I need my piece of paper. No, that's not right. It should go this way.
Yeah, that is not right.
That's not right.
Maybe from here.
No, where's my 6?
I mean, that's right. Yeah, because then your 6 is up here.
Okay, right, because then it's 5.5 down this one. That makes more sense. Okay. 5.5 at this line. This angle right here is 113.74 degrees. And that makes this angle right here 66.26 degrees.
So we got one rafter up. Took us a while to get the math right, but we finally got it right. Tomorrow we'll repeat it. Quite frankly, I mean, I'm pretty nasty. I feel like we should be in South Florida or something. But we're not. We're in Southeast Oklahoma. We're not in Florida. Needless to say, it's kind of a sticky, sweaty mess, and I'm tired of being sweaty. So we're gonna call it a day. Tomorrow we'll come back, and hopefully we'll get up more than just one.